So this is Rivian. It has been a very common sighting in Bay Area. A lot of Rivians. A lot of my friends and a lot of my husband's colleagues are buying it. So, looks like it's the next popular thing on the road. And I see some few Lucid as well. So, people do have money to buy, which, they've made a lot of money in Nvidia or Broadcom or MSTR or what was that, SMCI, super micro, all that meme thing. So, people made money and they're buying some good cars, and so good for them. Anyways, Rivian, the high was 180. Oh, 180? Seriously? The high was 180 and then it fell, and poor thing made a low in March 23 of 12.58. So that's where your price is right here, right now. And after that, it retraced up a bit and then came back and made 8.26 as the new low. That was in April after 1 year, right? So now it is going sideways. Sideways, it tried again to hit 17 and again, 15, 16, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17. So approximately 17 is an issue for it to go, because this structure, right, when it went up, it took 6 months for it to break down and make a new low. So it is trying to do this, you know, this would be an ideal path. If this holds and you have this, what do you call, the arch, price is moving along the arch. So if this geometry holds and this 8.26 low holds and it's able to go over 17, you have the projection for 20 to 25, 28, and a very good case would be 36, this previous retest of the high. So up till here technically your stock is congested. First it has to clear this small area, then go in this area, this area, this area. But stock like a Rivian, it is like a one fine day thing. The stock will stay and do nothing, 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 and then one fine day it just moves, like like SoFi, right? It was a very frustrated thing. UPST was a very frustrated thing. Snow was a very frustrating thing. All the growth stocks which had fallen really bad, uh, sideways, 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 and then one fine day moment came for them, and it moved. So common wise, if as long as it's holding here, good chance, good probability for 17, 20, 25, 28, and then this zone 36. After this, it has quite a bit to retrace, 50 and 67 and all that stuff. So that is future. For now, this does have a potential to double or triple. Till here, it will be what, 12 threes are 36. It will triple right here. And 12 twos are 24. So it will triple right here, somewhere here. So there. But the main point is, define your risk. Where do you want to do it? Is it below 12 because your last low was 12.17? So is it below 12, below 11, or below 10.3? 10.3 is the monthly support. So that's what, makes a little bit sense. And 8.26, of course, is your all-time low for now. So as long as you can manage your risk, because as long as you have the money, you are in the game. And as long as you're managing your risk smartly and booking your profits smartly, um, the game is very, very good. The moment you get emotional and say, oh, you know what, it's a Rivian, it'll come back up, electrical vehicles and all this, that, the stock move can outsmart us much more than we can, we our lifespan. So be smart about it. um, Take your book your gains on time, and of course more important is book your losses on time. Small losses still preserves capital, so that should be the first priority. And all the best. I think commons may be a better idea than options, because options, they can exhausted, even so. But in options case, I would think about leaps, maybe 1 year or 2 year minimum, just to be on the safer side. So all the best. And this is just from the analysis perspective. Do your own due diligence and follow the fundamentals, what they're saying, and everything else. And then based on these numbers, um, check it out and let me know what you think about it, so that even I also know what other people are thinking, and that's an interactive game versus me just posting and sitting there. Okay, all the best.